I will just share with everyone how I developed faith. Okay. I think naturally when we came into this human world, we usually first have faith in our parents. Right?
Right.
The first people that you really have faith towards is your mom, because your life is dependent upon your mom's milk. So the human children, the first most important bond is with the mother. The mother and the children relationship is the foundation of the human's normal ability to trust. When a life came into the human world, and as a baby opened eyes, and the first person the baby see is mama. The baby were brought to mom's chest, and then mom start to present the breast, and the baby suck on the breast milk, nourish the body. That's the first bond of the human baby with the world. So that's why mother plays an essential role to help the children to understand this word called faith, trust. A mother cannot let the children one day feel that mother is not trustworthy. If a child starts to unable to trust the mother, do you know how damaging it is for the child's entire psyche? Okay, so children, the connection with the mother, that very strong bond is very essential for the health of the psychology. And if you have a mother who's irresponsible, who doesn't want to even feed the baby with breast milk, formula, I want my body to be beautiful, I'm not going to breastfeed because I want to look as beautiful as before, so no milk for the baby, we're going to do formula. Modern people, the reason start to go down the tube has quite a lot to do with this whole industrial thing, modern science. And the human being before, for all the thousands of years, the mother always breastfeeded the babies. But these days, most of the moms, they don't do breastfeeding. Formula. So the first and most beautiful, important foundation of trust in the human world for our children was broken. That's number one. I do believe that if we want to help the modern people to gradually establish 安心 and 顺学, they need to work on the faith. Now the faith, the material part, it comes from some very fundamental elements, and the mother's milk and the breastfeeding. That is something that I want to make a point today. Very fundamental for the children's next generation's health. Okay, pause.